Hello, and welcome to this training session. To start with, we will understand why dispatch features are essential for businesses. Dispatch features are crucial for businesses because they streamline inventory management, expedite order fulfillment, enable real-time tracking, ensure accuracy and compliance through scanning options, provide an audit trail for traceability, and streamline processes for increased efficiency and cost savings. In this video, I'll demonstrate the dispatch module of our RFID application. To dispatch an item from one location to another, navigate to the dispatch feature from the dashboard. First, select the origin and destination locations. You can also perform bulk adjustments from here. If you're fulfilling an order, whether it's a CISA or Shopify order, you can search for it as well. Once you've selected Continue to Scan, the dispatch box will display order details if you've chosen items from an order. Otherwise, no pop-up will appear. You have 3 scanning options: single scan, multi-scan, or barcode and QR code scan. For this demo, I'll use barcode and QR code scan. After scanning the items, their validity will be confirmed. The system tracks the movement of items, displaying the number of movements if applicable. At the bottom, you'll find 2 buttons, Reset and Dispatch. Before dispatching, you can click on the yellow question mark icon to review selected order details. To proceed, click on Dispatch. If there's a mismatch between the scanned item and the order, a pop-up will appear giving you the option to proceed or cancel. For this demo, I'll choose to proceed. This creates a dispatch and generates a dispatch number. With the dispatch completed, the next step is to receive the dispatched item at the desired location. Thank you for watching this training session. We hope this guide helps you efficiently use the dispatch feature in our RFID application. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Have a great day.